Are you ready to create a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? Many people are turning to faceless channels for privacy and flexibility. With AI tools, you can easily produce engaging content. Let's dive into the details of starting your faceless YouTube channel. First, let's define what a faceless YouTube channel is. This type of channel focuses on content without personal appearances. Instead, you utilize visuals, voiceovers, and AI-generated elements. This approach allows you to stay anonymous while building an audience. Now, let's explore the steps to set up your channel. Start by choosing a niche. Your niche is crucial for attracting a targeted audience. Think about your passions or trending topics. Research to find gaps in the content market. Next, create your YouTube account. Sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. A good name will help viewers identify your brand. Once your channel is set up, focus on creating content. Here's where AI tools come into play. Start by gathering ideas. Use tools like BuzzSumo or Answer the Public for trending topics. These tools help you find what people want to watch. Now, let's discuss content creation. Use AI-powered tools for video production. For instance, Lumen 5 turns text into videos automatically. This tool converts your scripts into engaging visual content effortlessly. You can also use Pictory or Canva for customizable graphics. Next, add voiceovers to your videos. Tools like Descript and Speechelo provide voice synthesis. These create high-quality audio for your videos without recording your own voice. This way, your content remains faceless and professional. Editing plays a significant role too. Use software like Filmora or InVideo to polish your video. Enhance visuals and add transitions easily. Don't forget to include background music. Websites like Epidemic Sound and Artlist offer royalty-free options. After creating your video, it's time to upload. Optimize your video title, description, and tags. Use keywords related to your niche for better visibility. Your goal is to attract viewers and rank higher on search results. Promotion is essential for growth. Share your videos on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. Building a connection keeps viewers returning for more. Consistency is key to success. Set a schedule for uploading. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to it. This reliability fosters trust with your audience. Finally, monitor your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, watch time, and likes. This data helps you understand what works and what needs improvement. Adjust your content strategy based on viewer preferences. In summary, starting a faceless YouTube channel is both exciting and achievable. Choose a niche, leverage AI tools, create engaging content, and promote effectively. Consistency and analysis will drive your growth. Ready to transform your YouTube dreams into reality? Start today. Explore the provided tools, plan your content, and launch your definitive faceless channel. Your journey begins now. Are you ready to create a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? Faceless channels are on the rise for privacy and flexibility. With AI tools, producing engaging content is easier than ever. Let's dive into starting your faceless YouTube channel. First, what is a faceless YouTube channel? This type of channel creates content without personal appearances. Instead, you use visuals, voiceovers, and AI-generated elements. This way, you can remain anonymous while building your audience. Now, let's explore the steps to set up your channel. Begin by choosing a niche. Your niche is vital for attracting a specific audience. Consider your passions or trending topics. Research gaps in the content market to find your focus. Next, create your YouTube account. Sign in with your Google account. Select Create a Channel once you're signed in. Choose a memorable name that reflects your niche. A good name helps viewers identify your brand more easily. Once your channel is set up, it's time to create content. This is where AI tools shine. Start by gathering ideas. Use tools like BuzzSumo or Answer the Public for trending topics. These tools show what people are eager to watch. Now, let's discuss content creation. Utilize AI-powered tools for video production. For example, Lumen 5 converts text into videos automatically. This tool transforms your scripts into engaging visual content with ease. Alternatively, use Pictory or Canva for customizable graphics. Next, you'll want to add voiceovers to your videos. Tools like Descript or Speechelo offer voice synthesis. They create high-quality audio without needing to record your own voice. Your content remains faceless and professional this way. Editing is crucial too. Software like Filmora or InVideo helps polish your video. Enhance visuals with ease and incorporate transitions. Don't forget to use background music from sites like Epidemic Sound and Artlist for royalty-free options. After creating your video, upload it. Optimize your title, description, and tags. Incorporate niche-related keywords to enhance visibility. Your goal? Attract viewers and rank higher in search results. Promotion is key for growth. Share your videos on social media, like Twitter and Instagram. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. Building connections encourages viewers to return for more. Consistency is essential to success. Set a regular upload schedule. Whether it's weekly or bi-monthly, stick to it. This reliability builds trust with your audience. Finally, monitor your channel's performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, watch time, and likes. This data reveals what's working and what needs tweaking. Adjust your content strategy based on viewer preferences. To summarize, starting a faceless YouTube channel is exciting and achievable. Choose a niche, leverage AI tools, create engaging content, and promote effectively. Consistency and analysis will fuel your growth. Ready to turn your YouTube dreams into reality? Start today. Explore the tools mentioned, plan your content, and launch your unique faceless channel. Your journey begins now.